6th Rabi'ul Akhir, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Khwaja Ghulam Farid Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. Hazrat Khwaja Ghulam Farid Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh was born on the 22nd of Dhul Qa'dah al-Haram in 1261 Hijri, corresponding to the 26th of November 1845 AC, in Chachra Sharif, Bahawalpur, Punjab, Pakistan. He received his education and training whilst as an orphan. He gained blessings from the prominent scholars and teachers of his time. He had the honor of taking an oath of allegiance, that is the bay'at, and the responsibility of khilafat, that is spiritual vice-regency, from his elder brother Khwaja Ghulam Fakhruddin Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh in Silsila-e-Chishtiya. He was a unique personality who had command over all branches of knowledge, particularly the knowledge of facts and reality. Furthermore, his divine love and spiritual devotion was of an unmatched nature. He continued guiding the people, supporting the deen, and propagating Islam with heart and soul. He benefited the people with his teachings, sermons, and preaching. He was a great poet in the world of Sufism. His touching compositions brings great feelings and is a treasure of secret symbols and codes and spiritual ecstasy. His compositions collection in the Saraiki language, namely Diwan-e-Farid, is famous in every class of society. Divine knowledge and the intimate knowledge of the Lord Azza wa Jal became common by virtue of the purity of his composition. His refulgence and spirituality brought grace to various errors. His services to the deen are countless and immense. Hazrat Khwaja Ghulam Farid Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh passed away at the age of 56 years on the 6th of Rabi'ul Akhir in 1382 Hijri, corresponding to the 24th of July 1901 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Kot Mittan Sharif, District Rajanpur, Punjab, Pakistan, and is a source of blessings for every class of society. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।